Have you ever wondered why dogs age faster than humans? It's a question that has puzzled pet lovers and scientists alike for years. We're going to take a journey into the fascinating world of canine aging, a process that's much more intricate than you might think. The age-old adage that a dog ages 7 years for every human year is deeply ingrained in our collective consciousness. Yet it's far from the truth. Dog aging is a complex process, influenced by a multitude of factors, and it doesn't happen at a uniform rate. In reality, the way a dog ages is as unique as their personality or their adorable paw prints. Different breeds age at different rates, with smaller breeds generally living longer than their larger counterparts. For instance, a Chihuahua might live well into its teens, while a Great Dane is considered senior by the age of 6. It's not just about size, though. Genetics, diet, environment, and care all play a part in how quickly a dog ages. A healthy, well-cared-for pooch could outlive its expected lifespan by several years, while an unhealthy or neglected dog might not. That's not all. Recent scientific research has shown that the cells of dogs and humans age in remarkably similar ways. The same markers of aging that appear in human cells, things like DNA damage, inflammation, and oxidative stress, also show up in canine cells. This means that studying dog aging could potentially give us insights into human aging as well. Remember, though, that aging is a natural process, not a disease. It's not about trying to stop the clock, but rather understanding the journey and making it as comfortable and fulfilling as possible for our four-legged friends. So let's dive into the science behind dog aging and debunk some myths along the way. Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery of why our beloved companions who share our homes and hearts age at a pace that seems unfairly fast. To understand how dogs age, we must first understand their biology. So let's dive right into it. The aging process in dogs is a complex interplay of genetics, size, and breed. Each of these factors contributes to the pace and manner in which our furry friends grow old. Genetics plays a pivotal role in dog aging, just as it does in humans. Some dogs are predisposed to age at a faster rate due to their genetic makeup. This could be due to certain genetic mutations or inherent traits that make them more susceptible to age-related diseases. Now, let's talk about size. It may seem counterintuitive, but larger dogs actually tend to age faster than their smaller counterparts. The reason behind this is still a topic of ongoing research, but some scientists believe it might be related to the rate of growth. Large dogs grow very quickly in their early years, which could potentially lead to a faster onset of age-related issues. And then there's breed. Different dog breeds have different lifespans and are prone to specific health issues as they age. For instance, Dachshunds are known to live longer than many other breeds but are prone to back problems. On the other hand, larger breeds like Great Danes have comparatively shorter lifespans and often face heart-related issues. These biological factors are intertwined in a complex web that dictates how dogs age. They are not standalone factors. For example, a small dog might have a genetic predisposition to age faster, or a large dog might belong to a breed known for its longevity. It's fascinating, isn't it? How the biological aspects of our canine companions play such a significant role in their aging process. But this is just one piece of the puzzle. Now, with a better understanding of the biological factors, we can move on to the environmental influences. The place they live, the food they eat, the care they receive, all these factors also have a profound impact on how dogs age. But that's a tale for another scene. Environment plays a significant role in how fast our furry friends age. Just as with humans, factors such as diet, exercise, and overall care can greatly influence a dog's aging process. Let's talk about diet first. A balanced, nutritious diet is key to maintaining a dog's health and longevity. Providing too much or too little of certain nutrients can lead to health problems that may speed up the aging process. For instance, an excess of calories can lead to obesity, which is linked to many health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. On the other hand, a diet lacking in essential vitamins and minerals can impair a dog's immune system, making them more susceptible to diseases that can shorten their lifespan. Next up, exercise. Regular physical activity helps keep dogs in good shape and maintain a healthy weight, which can slow down the aging process. Exercise also supports mental health, keeping dogs mentally sharp and reducing anxiety, which can have a positive impact on their overall well-being. And then we have overall care. This encompasses everything from regular vet checkups to proper grooming and dental care. Regular checkups can detect health issues early, increasing the chances of successful treatment and helping dogs live longer, healthier lives. Proper grooming keeps a dog's skin and fur healthy, preventing infections and parasites, while good dental care can prevent diseases that can affect more than just a dog's mouth, but also their heart, kidneys, and liver. Lastly, the quality of a dog's environment matters too. Dogs living in stressful or unhealthy environments may age faster. On the flip side, a loving, safe, and stimulating environment can contribute to slower aging and a better quality of life. So you see, a healthy lifestyle can do wonders for slowing down aging and improving a dog's quality of life. The way we care for our dogs, the food we provide them, the exercise they get, and the environment they live in all play a part in their aging process. As we see, our actions significantly impact our dog's aging, but there's more to it. Let's explore the concept of dog years. The 7 dog years to 1 human year rule has been around for a long time, but is it accurate? This idea has been deeply ingrained in our minds. It's simple, it's easy to remember, but the truth is, it's a gross oversimplification. The concept of dog years originates from the mid-20th century when average life expectancies for humans and dogs were around 70 and 10 years, respectively. The ratio of these two numbers gave us the magic number 7. But let's get real. Dogs don't age at the same rate throughout their entire life. They mature much more quickly in their early years than humans do. A 1-year-old dog is more akin to a human teenager, not a 7-year-old child. It's also important to consider that different breeds age at different rates. Small dogs tend to live longer than large dogs. A small dog might be considered a senior at around 10 to 12 years, while a large dog might reach senior status at just 6 or 7 years. A more accurate method of calculating a dog's age in human years would therefore take into account not only the dog's actual age, but also its size and breed. For example, the American Veterinary Medical Association suggests that the first year of a medium-sized dog's life is approximately equivalent to 15 human years, the second year to 9 human years, and each year after that to 5 human years. This formula might not be perfect, but it certainly provides a more nuanced understanding of how dogs age compared to the flat 7 years rule. So, the next time you're trying to calculate your dog's age, remember, it's not as simple as multiplying by 7. Take into account the breed, the size, and the actual age of your dog to get a better understanding of your furry friend's stage in life. So, the dog years concept is not as straightforward as it seems, and our dogs might be younger or older than we thought. So, what have we learned about our canine companions and their aging process? Well, we've delved deep into the science of dog aging, unraveling the mystery of how our furry friends grow older. It's clear that there's a lot more to it than meets the eye, with a multitude of factors coming into play. We learned that genetics play a vital role. Just as with humans, a dog's genes can influence how quickly they age and what health problems they might encounter in their twilight years. Dogs, like people, are a product of their genetic makeup, and this can have a profound effect on their lifespan. We also discovered that size matters. Larger breeds tend to age faster than smaller ones, a fact that can be surprising to some. It's a fascinating quirk of nature that the bigger the dog, the shorter its average lifespan tends to be. Breed too has a significant impact. Different breeds have unique characteristics, health issues, and lifespans. Some breeds are naturally prone to certain health conditions that can affect their aging process, while others may have genetic longevity on their side. The environment, both physical and emotional, is another key player in dog aging. Factors like diet, exercise, stress levels, and even love and attention can all influence how quickly a dog ages. A well-cared-for dog living in a loving home is likely to age more slowly than a neglected one. Lastly, we debunked the myth of dog years. The idea that every human year equals 7 dog years is a gross oversimplification. The real equation is much more complex, taking into account factors like breed, size, and individual health. In summary, understanding the aging process in dogs is a complex task that requires considering a range of factors. But it's not just an academic exercise. The more we understand, the better we can care for our dogs, helping them to live longer, healthier lives. Understanding our dog's aging process can help us provide them with the best care possible, ensuring they live happy, healthy lives for as many dog years as possible.